Good day, Rockstar. Today, let's talk about how to download your Facebook friends list to Excel. Okay, we're going to jump over here, go to our icon top right of the window. We're going to select privacy and settings. When you get to this page, we're going to select download profile information. On this page, what you're going to do is you're going to select format JSON, medium quality, date range, all time. We are going to deselect all. We're going to scroll down and find our Facebook friends and followers. Select that box. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Click request a download. Now this will take, depending on the size of your friends list, this will take a while. It could take a few minutes. It could take up to an hour or so. And you will find them available under available file. And again, we're under available files and we can download it. So I'm going to select download. It's going to ask for my password. We're going to confirm. I'm going to copy it to my desktop so that it is easily found. Personally, I like to put it on my desktop. We're going to click save, and then added the file to my desktop right here. So when you save it, it's going to save as a .zip file, which means it's been compressed to make the file smaller. We need to uncompress it. If you are on a Mac or a PC, you can just try to double click it and see if it uncompresses it. It will open up into a folder called friends and followers. If that didn't work, you can select the zip file, right mouse click, see if there's open or extract, and away you go. Once we've extracted that folder, you want to grab the URL in the description down below and go to convertcsv.com/JSON to CSV.htm. Now you're on this page, you're going to scroll down, you're going to choose a file, select choose a file. We're going to open up the folder on your desktop that we just extracted, friends and followers, and we're going to select friends.json. You're going to click open. You're going to come down here. You're going to say convert JSON to Excel. It produces that result, and it's going to give you an option to download this file. You want to download it to your desktop, and we save. Now we're going to go log into our Gmail account and then go over here to the top menu. We're going to select Google Apps and open up our Google Drive. We're going to select new. We're going to select Google Sheets. We are going to name our Google Sheets Facebook Friends, Working, or whatever you may want to do. We're going to select here in this first row, we're going to select File, Imports. We're going to click Upload, and we are going to just drag this file right in there. Create new spreadsheet, import data, open now. And there you go. We have just downloaded our Facebook friends list into Excel. Now we can actually click this first row here, delete it. We don't need that row. We can actually select this column B and delete that column, and we've got a nice list of all our Facebook friends. Now I actually like to delete all of these columns. Anything in here, we just want to delete. Clear all the columns. Now I'm going to show you how to make this a little more actionable, where you can actually get a hyperlink to link directly to their profile, get their username, and then create a link directly to their messenger. To do that, we're going to open up this text file. We are going to grab this entire code right here, and in column B, we are simply going to paste that code here. That's it. Now from there, you can copy this, select copy in that cell, click into the second row, scroll all the way down on the bottom of the page, click your shift key and paste. And we've just now hyperlinked to the profile of all your friends. To see that in action, we would go here, click this link, we end up on the profile, or here's our friends, and we can now just go visit her profile, We can copy her user ID, go back to our spreadsheet, and paste that right here in column C. So we've pasted this here, we have her user ID. Now you want to go back to your text file, grab this second line of code, and over here on column D, we just paste that there. We would now select this, copy, select down here, scroll all the way to the bottom of the file, shift click, paste. Now, let's go visit Shannon's. We're going to select into her profile. We're going to go up to the top URL, get her username, come back to our sheet, paste in our username here, and now we have a direct link to Shannon's Messenger. And there you go. We have just downloaded our Facebook friends to Excel, made it actionable to go directly to their profile and then direct message them as well. Be blessed, great marketing. Till we meet again, bye for now.